If you thought pasta was off the menu because you're living with diabetes, think again. This video is about opening up a world of tasty possibilities you might not have believed were an option. Picture this. You're twirling your fork in a mound of creamy spaghetti, savoring the hearty bolognese sauce, relishing the parmesan's sharp tanginess. You're indulging in your love for pasta, but with a thrilling twist. You're not spiking your blood sugar levels. Seems impossible? Keep watching, because we're about to embark on an exciting culinary journey, exploring low-carb pasta alternatives that every diabetic can enjoy. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Let's start this journey with a staple from our Mother Nature vegetables. The vegetable kingdom presents us with a plethora of options that can be shaped, sliced, or spiralized into delicious low-carb pasta substitutes. Zucchini, with its mild flavor and firm texture, leads the pack here. Zucchini noodles, affectionately known as zoodles, are a popular choice for those managing their carb intake. According to a 2018 study published in Food Chemistry, zucchini possesses antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties, making it not only a healthier substitute for regular pasta, but a superfood for diabetics. There's a wide array of methods to transform this humble vegetable into an inviting pasta dish. Spiralizing it into noodles and lightly sautéing them with garlic and olive oil can produce a quick and delicious meal. Or maybe you can layer them in a mouth-watering lasagna. You're limited only by your creativity. Next, we have spaghetti squash, another gift from the vegetable kingdom, which will amaze you with its spaghetti-like strands when cooked. Besides its uncanny ability to mimic pasta's texture, it's also packed with vitamins A and C, as per a 2019 study published in Nutrients. These nutrients are known to boost immunity, another bonus for diabetics. Continuing our journey, let's head east to explore an Asian favorite, Shirataki Noodles. Traditionally made from the konjac yam's root, these noodles are virtually carb-free and surprisingly low in calories. According to a 2016 study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, the glucomannan fiber found in Shirataki noodles can help lower blood glucose levels post-meals. They're also incredibly versatile, readily absorbing flavors from whatever sauce or seasoning you toss them with. From hearty ramen to a refreshing cold noodle salad, Shirataki noodles offer a multitude of possibilities to explore. But what about those who miss the mouthfeel and the satisfaction that comes from biting into a piece of al dente pasta? The answer lies in bean-based pasta. Black bean spaghetti, lentil penne, or chickpea rotini. These options are not only low in carbs, but also high in protein and fiber, which can help control blood sugar levels as per a 2017 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. While the texture and flavor might differ slightly from your traditional pasta, the added health benefits make it worth experimenting with these options. Similarly, whole grains can offer palatable alternatives to regular pasta. One such promising option is buckwheat noodles, also known as soba noodles. Despite the name, buckwheat isn't related to wheat and is completely gluten-free. A 2018 study in Nutrients reported that the consumption of buckwheat products could improve blood sugar control, mainly due to their high fiber content and a unique component called rutin. As we move further along our exploration, it's time to get innovative with our cooking techniques. Consider gnocchi, an Italian classic traditionally made with high-carb potatoes. By replacing potatoes with cauliflower or broccoli, you can create a low-carb, diabetic-friendly version of this beloved dish. The recipe requires a bit of effort, but the resulting fluffy, pillowy dumplings are worth every minute spent. And now, let's move to the grand finale, the best for the last, a gem in the low-carb pasta alternatives, palmini pasta. Made from hearts of palm, these resemble the texture of regular pasta remarkably well. They come ready to eat, just needing a rinse before you heat them in your favorite sauce. With only 4 grams of carbs per serving, as stated by the company, they offer the closest experience to traditional pasta without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. A 2019 study published in Food Science and Nutrition found that the consumption of hearts of palm could help manage post-meal glucose levels, making palmini pasta a highly suitable option for those with diabetes. Even though they're a bit more expensive than other alternatives, the taste and texture make it worth the investment. Low-carb pasta alternatives have gained popularity in recent years as people seek healthier and more varied options for their meals. Besides being beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, these alternatives offer several surprising benefits. Weight management. Low-carb pasta alternatives are typically lower in calories and carbohydrates than traditional wheat-based pasta. This can aid in weight management and weight loss efforts by reducing overall calorie intake and promoting better portion control. Improved heart health. By reducing carbohydrate intake, low-carb pasta alternatives can positively impact heart health. Lower-carb diets have been associated with improvements in blood pressure, triglyceride levels, and markers of heart disease risk. Increased fiber intake. Many low-carb pasta alternatives are made from ingredients such as chickpea flour, lentil flour, or zucchini noodles, which are naturally higher in dietary fiber. Fiber aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and supports gut health. Nutrient-rich options. Unlike traditional refined wheat pasta, some low-carb alternatives are made from whole food ingredients, which can offer additional nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and plant-based proteins. Gluten sensitivity. Individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease can benefit from low-carb pasta alternatives made from gluten-free ingredients. It allows them to enjoy pasta dishes without experiencing negative reactions to gluten. Enhanced micronutrient diversity. Low-carb pasta alternatives that incorporate ingredients like spinach, kale, or other vegetables contribute to a more diverse range of micronutrients in the diet. Sustainable eating. Low-carb pasta alternatives that use legume flours or other plant-based ingredients can be more environmentally friendly than traditional wheat-based pasta. They often have a lower carbon footprint and require less water and land to produce. Reduced post-meal fatigue. Many people experience feelings of fatigue or lethargy after consuming high-carb meals. Low-carb pasta alternatives can provide sustained energy levels, helping to reduce post-meal crashes. Supports a ketogenic lifestyle. For those following a ketogenic diet, low-carb pasta alternatives are essential as they allow individuals to enjoy familiar dishes while staying within their desired macronutrient ratios. It's important to note that the specific benefits may vary depending on the type of low-carb pasta alternative chosen and individual dietary needs and preferences. The world of low-carb pasta alternatives for diabetics is expansive and growing, with options to suit every taste and preference. It's a journey of discovery, of reimagining favorite dishes in a way that doesn't compromise health or flavor. Living with diabetes doesn't mean saying goodbye to beloved foods. It's about reinventing them, finding ways to enjoy what you love while keeping your health in check. So go ahead, give these surprising pasta alternatives a try, and reignite your love affair with pasta the low-carb way.